I step into Zephyrria's Marabell market just as dawn-like brushes the sea mist against colorful stalls. Traders shout over the hum of morning winds that sweep fresh fish from the coast and ripe starweed from highland farms. I follow a trail of sweet steam to a small wood counter, where an elder named Zephyrian serves her famous Cerulean Starloaf. The air here carries a blend of salty ocean spray and the herbal scent of Acer basil that grows wild on nearby cliffs. Zephyrian tells me this dish started centuries ago, when mountain shepherds mixed starweed with moonberry jam to fuel long hikes under chilly skies. Over time, merchants added flori mushrooms from deep forests, the caves in crimson coral root, hand-harvested among tidal rock. The recipe traveled on silk-laced caravans, spreading across the Zephyrria's islands and shaping local festival feasts. Today you'll find it at seaside taverns or tucked into cobbled market lanes, always served fresh and still warm. Behind the counter, I watch the bakers knead pale blue doming from milled starweed and clear moonbeam water drawn at midnight. They fold in chopped flori mushrooms, rich and earthy, and ribbons of crimson coral root, whose spicy tang makes the loaf pop. A swirl of moonberry jam oozes inside, its gentle sweetness evincing the root's fire. The loaves bake directly on heated basalt slabs, until the crustons are deep sapphire-shaped, flecked with tiny bubbles and aged in golden brown. When Zephyrian slices a loaf open, sting curls up like morning fog. She sprinkles it with powdered azure basil and drips a ribbon of wild honey over the top. I take my first bite. The crust crackles beneath my teeth, giving way to a pillowy, blue-tinted crumb. A burst of jam floods my palate, followed by soft flori shards that almost melt with each chew. The coral root adds a surprising warmth that lingers, perfect against the sweet honey glaze. Every mouthful feels like a dance of sea breeze and mountain dust. As I finish the last crumb, the storyteller in me marvels at how Zephyrria's shifting seasons shape this dish. Cool sea winds cool the wheat fields, misty nights ripen moonberries, hidden forests yield the mushrooms. Together, they create a flavor as layered as the islands themselves. If you ever find yourself wandering through Marabell Market, follow your nose to the blue glow of Zephyrian's oven. One taste, and you understand why Zephyrians say Cerulean Starloaf is the heart of the land.